In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Weebly account. Open your web browser and head to the Weebly website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, look towards the top of the screen. You're going to want to click on the Build tab. This will open up the Elements panel, where you'll find all sorts of options to customize your site. Next, you need to decide where you'd like your columns to appear on your page. This could be in an existing section of your website or in a new area. Just click on the spot where you want these columns to go. It's as simple as that. Now it's time to create your columns. Let's start by selecting a content element. For example, you might want to drag and drop a text block into that chosen space you clicked on. This is your first column. If you want to add more columns and have them side by side, simply drag another element. This could also be a text block or perhaps a button. Just make sure you drop it directly to the left or right of the first element you placed. This will align your second column with the first one, creating that lovely side-by-side effect you're aiming for. Now that you've got your elements in place, it's time to refine the layout. Feel free to click and drag any of the elements around until you're happy with how they look together. You want everything to be balanced and organized so that your website is visually appealing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of content in your columns. You might choose to add images, buttons, or even videos next to your text blocks. The flexibility Weebly offers means you can get creative and make your site truly unique. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save button in the corner of the screen, ensuring that your hard work doesn't go to waste. So there you have it, folks. Adding columns to your Weebly website is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Remember, this layout not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also allows you to display more information in an organized way. As you continue to develop your Weebly website, keep exploring the other features available to you. There's so much more you can do, from changing themes to adding more interactive elements. Be sure to follow along in more videos as we explore those options together. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more site building tips and tricks.